Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to test the screen issue which is going on in the Poco F3 GT device. So some of the users are actually facing different screen color changing issues. Let me try to show you exactly, friends. So this is the comment which I got. So whenever we try to use any kind of BGMI gameplay, use the game booster screen enhancement option, the old phone will be changing into some other color. This is the comment which I am getting, as you can see. Not only this one comment, I did get some other messages as well. Let me try to show you exactly. So these are the few things which I did receive in the WhatsApp. As you can see, friends, some of the users, they are actually facing this kind of issues, this kind of problems. So they did send me to the number which is given. So in this way, I got to know that there's some issues going on in the Poco F3 GT. And I started to investigate what is happening. So let's start in this video, friends. I'll try to show you what is exactly going on in this phone. Let's start the game, which is the Battleground game first. And so this problem usually happens. So whenever you play not only this game, so any game maybe, if you try to use this option which is called the screen shifting option. So there's an option which is called, as you can, this one. So this one is a screen enhancement option. So this will boost the colors little bit. As you can see, this will boost the colors. So what happens is, as soon as you select these options, so once you go to the home screen, the colors will remain the same and it will try to change the other application's behavior. That is what is happening for some of the users. And in this video, I'll try to demonstrate you what is happening exactly. Let's see in my unit whether I can actually see any kind of problem or not. So right now you can see I'm trying to use the screen modes only. This is the enhancement bright and this is a maximum level. This is the highest level you can actually use. So this is a 0 level. This is the first level of enhancement and second level and third level, as you can see. So total there are 3 levels. Now I am in the third level of enhancement of process, as you can see. As soon as you use, now if you let me try to open different application to test it. As you can see, friends, as soon as I open the inconvenient window, I decrease the brightness a little bit, not much, just little bit I did decrease. So you can see there will be some kind of bleeding is happening. Let me try to show you exactly in this section, in this area. So you can see white color in this area. And sometimes, as you can see, friends, this is how you'll be seeing the gold chrome. This is the inconvenient window. You can see the white, brighter white here and not that bright here. As you can see, it's very bright in this spot and everything you can see in white area. As you can see, let me try to show the brightness, how much it is. As you can see, this is a complete low brightness I'm trying to use completely. As you can see, let me try to rotate the screen and now you will be able to see what's the difference is happening. So you may think that's a common problem which is in the Google Chrome application only, but this other phone which I'm trying to show, in this phone there is no such kind of problem. As you can see in the low brightness, there is no issues at all completely. As you can see, completely low brightness I'm trying to use, no issues in this other phones. But in the Poco F3 GT, I'm seeing this kind of strange behavior. As you can see, friends, two sides. You can see color how it's kind of changing. So till now I did not even observe, but later after seeing all the comments, then I started to do a little kind of more research and I thought of making a video and bringing the awareness. So you people, if you face this kind of issue, let me know in the comment section below. So in what application you are actually facing this kind of issues. So this is another application which I'm trying to use, friends. Let me try to show you. In this application, there's a section called this application, Screen Test Pro. Try to download in the Play Store and try to select this second option. And now let's change the colors. So you will see something is happening. Let me try to show you this kind of really weird problem. So see this complete white, it's kind of fine, I would say. As you can see, now you are seeing this kind of big patch all is present, black color. As you can see, this is exactly Poco F3 GT only I'm trying to use. Let me try to show you in this proof. As you can see, this is a Poco F3 GT only. As you can see now, this is a Poco F3 GT, friends. I'm trying to show you front and back because you should know the phone which I'm trying to use. So you should not listen blindly to me as well. That is the reason I'm trying to show you the proof as well. So as you can see, the black color. So I can get an example as well. I'll try to compare other phone in this segment. Maybe let's choose the OnePlus Nord. Even OnePlus Nord has got plenty of other problems, but still, let's see this problem. Same application, I'll try to show you how other phones are behaving. So you should know, if I compare side by side, how the other phones are reacting to this kind of color and how this phone is reacting to this kind of color. So let me show you, friends, exactly. Let's start at same time. Yes, same test I'm trying to do, comparing other phones. So you should know. Yes. So try to watch clearly. Yes, as you can see, this is what in this area exactly. In the OnePlus Nord 2, you cannot see that flickering issue is another thing. Don't worry about the flickering, but try to worry about this one. You can see this is what is called some colors are getting bleeded in this Poco F3 GT, friends. So in the live proof, we did see this is happening, and this is happening maybe after using that kind of Game Booster and Game Turbo, which is a screen enhancement option. So after using those kind of options only, maybe this problem might be happening, but I'll try to do in-depth research on this one. So what are the applications are getting affected? So which scenarios you may be seeing this kind of problem. But this kind of when I try to, as you can see, I'm trying to use the different angles to show you what is happening from the top angle and from bottom angle. You can see how it's reacting as well in the different shades. As you can see, friends, the colors, how they got shifted. In the OnePlus Nord 2, you cannot see. Not only in the OnePlus Nord, I'm not just comparing, but I'm just showing as an example. So in other phones, you won't be able to see this kind of black patch all. Same application in different phones I'm trying to use. This is a complete black image which I'm trying to use. So next, let's try the minimum brightness test as well. This is a minimum brightness test where the phone will go into the minimum, lowest brightness as possible. Let's see in this scenario whether we'll be able to see any kind of those kind of issues or not. No, you cannot see. But same in this application, there is an option which is called a grayscale, and now from the top you will be able to see something weird pattern is going on in this area. As you can see, this complete area is covering in the shadow. So this is kind of, I think, going to be a big problem for a few of the users because they are really sensitive for this kind of issues. So in the display, so I need to cover, friends. Definitely I'll try to do as much as videos as possible on this problem, what is going on and why it's behaving like that. So I'll try to see. Other phones, there's no issues. Other phones, same application, there's no problem. I'll try to compare side by side, then you will be able to understand. Now let's check what happens if I try to turn off. So none. I did not select any kind of options, as you can see, completely zero. So no enhancement boosters in the Game Turbo. Now let me try to open the same application which I did open before, which is a Screen Test Pro, which I'm trying to open. So there's an option. Let me try to go to the same settings. Let me try to select that same image. Let's see what is happening. Now we are not seeing any of those kind of issues. That kind of issue is not there, but you're seeing somewhere in the bottom some kind of different shade. Before it used to be so big, you did remember before how it is. So if you try to use the game booster enhancement in one of the game or any game, then definitely that will impact phone's entire problem as well. That is what I think. So maybe other users are also actually facing this kind of issues. So these are the problems. I'm not trying to create the problem. I'm trying to show you the problem exactly. Let me show you. As you can see, friends, these are the images which I got in the WhatsApp. So a few of the users, they did message. Same kind of issues. Same problems. What I'm facing in this video, same messages I got before. As you can see, now I understood exactly what is the problem. And before I did not understand the issue, but now I got to know. So as soon as I start going to the Battlegrounds Mobile, not only Battlegrounds Mobile, maybe any game you take. For example, I'm trying to show you this game, but any game. Let me try to increase the visual enhancement to saturated. Let's see. Let's go back to this application and go to the screen test. Go into that white page. Now, not that big issue. Now, little bit is there here. Little bit kind of bleeding. Other areas completely fine, white color. Now, let me go back and let's try with the maximum. And let me try to show you what happens if I try to select. As you can see, visual enhancement bright and saturated. Now, I'm trying to close the application, going back and try to open this application. Let me try to go to the screen and I'm trying to show you the same white page. And sometimes we'll be able to see this kind of patches as well. This completely in the low brightness mode only you'll be able to see this kind of difference. As you can see how they look in this Poco F3 GT. Let me try to put the light of any kind of phone so you'll be able to see exactly this is the Poco F3 GT all I'm trying to use. As you can see, the Poco F3 GT I'm trying to use exactly. Let me close the light. So I think there can be a problem in this phone. So in case if you order the Poco F3 GT, try to check in this kind of scenario. Try to use the Battlegrounds Mobile game or any other game. Try to check what is happening. Let's see what's going on in this phone. So friends, this is a quick review what is happening in the screen problem in the Poco F3 GT, and I did get plenty of messages from all of the users who did order the Poco F3 GT. And sorry friends, even I did not know this kind of problem before. So if I got to know the problem before, I would have done a video definitely on this kind of issues and let others also know about this kind of issue as well. But this is kind of, I'm not sure whether it will be able to fix. Maybe it can be able to fix with a software update, but let's see. Let's hope, because same green tint issue we are facing in other phones as well, but still the green tint issue not got fixed in the software update. So this issue I'm not sure. I'll try to check with the Mi11X. So maybe comparing Poco F3 GT versus Mi11X, how the other phones are behaving when you try to change this kind of same scenario, how their phones are doing. So that is all I'll try to compare. So maybe I have the Mi11. So this is Mi11 smartphone with a 10-bit panel. So both phones are having the same 10-bit panel. I can do one thing. I'll try to use same kind of scenario, same application. I'll try to compare both phones side by side. So then we'll get to know. it's the problem with the 10-bit panel, or maybe it's the problem with the Poco F3 GT panel. I think that's going to be a really good idea. So maybe today I'll try to spend some time on this phone regarding this kind of issue, what is happening. So don't worry friends, definitely I'll try to do my best to bring the awareness and to bring what is going on. And let me know in the comment section below, in case if you have any other queries regarding the Poco F3 GT, let me know what are the problems you are facing. And thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, check the links in description for the playlist where you can actually find so many videos related to this phone. Until then, stay tuned friends. Bye.